The date is Sunday, September 16th, 2012, and the time is 10:03 a.m. We are at the Long Island Railroad Station in Speonk. This is the 10:05 a.m. weekend off-peak Speonk to Babylon train 8735.
When was the last stop? You can buy a ticket on board, right?
It's going to cost you about $5 more on board than here. Yeah. Better off. They'll wait for you. Hi, Mary. Our engineer today is a young friend and neighbor of mine. She is operating the train from C3 cab car 5022 in the lead. There are a total of 4 C3 bi-level passenger cars. Locomotive DE30 AC 406 is at the rear. I will now board the rear C3 car to start my trip to New York City.